Yo, how's it going, fam? Today is September 15th. I already did the live trading as far as Euro USD. The before video is going to be the previous video, so make sure to go ahead and look at that so that way you guys can understand the full trade setup. Now, right now, what I'm going to do is pretty much just break it down and show you guys the thought process behind it. So let's go over to the 1 hour, the 30-minute, the 15-minute, so on and so on. I want to go ahead and go straight to the 15-minute right now and show you guys this. So we can clearly see that market came into that zone that I talked about, right? I spoke about market coming into the 1.18950, and as you guys can see, again, this is live. This was a live trade. I showed you guys on top the time going through. Right now it is 9:15 a.m. Pacific Standard Time. Yesterday, I believe I did it around 8 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. But going into that, you guys can clearly see that the market has come into that zone that was talking for a potential limit with that 11.5 pip stop loss. I did mention that stop loss could be, up above this area, and I'm glad I went ahead and put it a little bit higher just to be a little bit more secure on that side. And it came up to a stop loss of 11.5 pips. As you guys may see, we rallied into it. Coming towards London session, we were able to rally back down. Ending London session, entering New York session, we came to the upside real quick, and we created some nice equal lows. So when market created that, there's two scenarios that could have had it potentially happen. Now, on my side, I was in the limit. Why? Because at that time I was asleep, and I just wanted to go ahead and put that limit in and go ahead and apply the trade. As you guys can see, there's actually some other individuals that went ahead and placed a trade as well. This is one of our students from the team that we have going on right here as well. So many people were able to jump onto this trade, not just you guys, but also my team personally. So going back to this, you're able to identify the market had created some equal highs. Now that did go ahead and tell me a little bit as far as market could potentially go to the upside, but I knew the overall scenario and the overall driven factor that it was going to shift to the downside. We have some really nice equal lows over here, which we had mentioned, a 3-to-1 risk reward for first take profit. You guys can clearly see that this has smashed that TP fairly quickly. And I'm still looking for market to potentially come down at least to TP2, which would bring us approximately to a potential risk reward. I believe it was a 6-to-1 risk reward. Yes, it was about a 6-to-1 risk reward. So I still do plan on seeing that. It's just going to take a little bit more time. This third take profit, which is a 10-to-1 risk reward, could lead for potentially tomorrow or Thursday, right? Tomorrow's Wednesday or Thursday, which is going to be the 17th. Now, going on forward, what do I see going on right now? I see market potentially shifting to the upside real quick, doing that steep retracement. And that steep retracement could lead us to a potential at least a 61.8 Fibonacci retracement. Market has shifted to downside, so I'm looking for any scenario for it to continue moving down, right? We could have some potential struggle in this area right here. Market could come into this zone. And I believe if we go ahead and put our other fib, level, sorry about that, our other fib level, that is around the 61.8. So I like that scenario, right? 61.8 is correlating very, very nicely with this point of interest. Could it go a little bit steeper? Yes, it could come up into the 71%. That's the level that I'm particularly looking for. So go ahead and look into this pair of Euro USD, see what happens when it comes over here. I'm not saying put a limit. I'm saying more of put a potential alert, so that we can be alerted when market is running into these zones, so that we can get the second wave to the downside and hopefully hit that second TP and that third TP and have some new entries. So with that said, let me know what you guys would like to see on the next videos. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and down below in the comments, let me know what you would like to see next. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye-bye.